As we slowly recover from the coronavirus and lockdowns are lifted, life will begin to return to normal for some. Most folks don't realize the financial impact the virus has truly caused. As the U.S. national debt approaches $28 trillion, we continue to spend out of control, whether it be on stimulus packages or potential student loan debt forgiveness programs. We stray further and further away from being able to pay the principal back. With the Federal Reserve keeping interest rates artificially low and printing money like it's going out of style, we're beginning to see the effects of inflation. The sleeping giant that doesn't show up overnight, but grows little by little, day by day. Home prices are reaching all-time highs. The dollar is losing its buying power, and cash will no longer have the same effect that it used to. Commodities are also reaching all-time highs. Precious metals, corn, grain. With each administration continuing to kick the can down the road and not address the debt crisis that we're facing, it will eventually become detrimental, not only for us or our children, but for our grandchildren as well. Taxes will continue to increase and uncontrolled spending will continue. Although I don't have a solution for the problem, maybe one day I will. I do have a way to hedge against it. And it's not Bitcoin. A long time ago, the US dollar was redeemable for a commodity, a precious metal, if you will. Gold has been the ultimate currency since close to the beginning of time, up until President Nixon took us off the gold standard and turned the US dollar into a fiat currency. I guess you could say that's when extreme inflation started. Every dollar printed no longer needed to be backed by gold. As of August 1971, gold was around $40 for an ounce. Today, that same ounce of gold commands about $1,800. Not a bad return on your investment over 50 years. Now imagine over the course of the next 50 years what that same ounce of gold is going to be worth. Diversifying your portfolio is more important now than it has ever been. And the next financial crisis our country will face is hyperinflation. I feel that gold is a great way to hedge against it. It's a great insurance policy for the things to come down the road. I fear that over the course of time, the volatility in markets will continue. The volatility that we see on a daily basis. It may be the precursor for what is coming, the red flag, if you will. I ask that you stay prepared and stay disciplined. The reason I put this statement together is, as I stated, the debt that we have, $28 trillion, that is just continuing to grow on a daily basis. It is out of control, absolutely out of control. And whether you're a Democrat or whether you're a Republican, so many administrations just continue to forget to address this problem. And unfortunately, one day we are going to be forced to deal with this problem. And I got to tell you, if you think prices of things are going up now, whether it be gas or milk or bread or whatever the case may be, it's just going to continue and it's going to get worse. And through all my research, the only constant has been gold. Gold, silver, platinum, any of the precious metals. They stand the test of time. And, you know, it's so important. You know, some people have stocks, ETFs, bonds, which are going to be worth nothing pretty soon. Gold is forever. They've been using it forever. They will continue to use it forever. Its value has shot up over the past year like you couldn't imagine. I mean, just take a look at it. And I think that in the future, gold may not only double, but triple in value before the end of this decade. I know we're just getting into it, but I'm telling you, I think gold is the way to go. I think it's definitely a smart move. With that being said, that's all I have for the video today. Please let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. Let me know what you think. When is the next financial crisis going to take place? Do you believe it's already happening? Do you think that hyperinflation is going to be the next crisis? Let me know in the comments. Above all else, enjoy your dinner, and thank you for coming by today.